friends, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and today we are here to talk about how can you unblock someone whom you have blocked. So before that, I would like to request you guys to do like, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so that you will be notified about all my new videos. Now let's begin. Just you need to download your Instagram app from Microsoft Store and log into your Instagram account, and after logging in you can see how it looks like. As I have done, it looks similar like this. Now go to your profile picture, go to the settings section on the right side on top section, click on it. After that, just scroll down, come down, you can see, yeah, you can see on the last, not on the last, but you can see on the middle of it, blocked user. Click on it. You can see I have blocked Zoom TV. Now this is a TV which I have blocked, this is a user which I have blocked. Now just click on it, and after clicking on it you can see unblock. Now click on unblock. Now it says you Zoom TV unblocked. You can block them anytime from their profile. Okay, this is how you can follow them back. Now this is how you can just unblock someone from Instagram. So thank you so much for watching our videos, guys. Do like, share, subscribe our channel for further and new videos, and do comment in our comment section for new videos, which type of videos you want. So thank you.